Beat me.
Hmm?
It beat me.
Do you want to hold my hand?
Uh-huh. Uh-uh.
Uh-uh.
She said no.
She said,
No.
Just tell me if the picture's right. Fuck yeah, it hurts. Come on.
I've ever seen some parents that were discouraging.
Yeah.
They're pretty good for psyching you up. Alright.
Is it in already?
Nope.
Oh,
That's
okay.
just the clamp pen. Alright.
It hurts to lift?
No.
Take a nice deep breath and let it out nice and slow. Awesome.
Cool. You okay?
Didn't you feel it really?
Well, we gotta get the first one in before we do the second one.
You getting sick, Kim?
No.
Shut
up.
It's just awesome. Look at the blood.
Done the
just
torture yet?
gushing down
Nope.
there.
First one.
Nice.
Why does it feel wet?
Because you're bleeding.
Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome.
She drew
It's the best reaction yet.
She dripped as she's...
It's getting this beat in though. Might prove to be a challenge. There we go. Snapped in. First one done.
Don't even feel it.
You'll feel the second one, that's for sure.
Thanks.
I'm not gonna hold anything back.
You're fine.
I'm not gonna
Oh,
sugarcoat nothing for you.
Do you want my hand?
No.
Oh, I see. And then stick in between it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Special. Kim's catching on video. Don't miss it all.
You can watch it again.
Oh, this is so weird. Why?
Okay, Ann. Ready for the second one?
E-spot.
Take a nice deep breath and let it out. Excellent.
She giggles.
She could care less. She likes it.
I taste blood.
Now let's go for some steak.
Yeah.
Steak you can't eat.
Bloody steak, yeah.
Be soup. The next week.
Stupid family. Like James.
You alright?
Uh-huh.
It's a little bit of a push, so. Done? Just like that. No.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna stitch you up slowly.
Okay.
You don't need the blood rushing back to your head too rapidly. It's pretty gory looking.
Does it? Oh my god, I look like a vampire.
How does it feel?
I don't feel it.
No?
No.
Does it hurt?
No, just feel dizzy.
You're
Feel
already
dizzy?
fat.
No,
eh?
just because I'm... Really?
It's
You
already
don't,
fattening
it
up a
instantly
bit,
does
yeah.
it. Look at that.
I didn't hit her.
It's just like pouring in my mouth.
That's good. Swallow it.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Don't-
switch my
don't
gloves.
touch it.
Number one cause of infection. Don't jump down. Just
I'm not, I'm
chill
just
out
sitting
a
up.
bit.
Don't.
That's gonna be the number one.